Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you how this juicer works. I'm so glad that I have it. I always didn't like to buy oranges because I hated to do it manually, but this one is really a game changer. It is super easy. As you can see, I juiced already a lot of juice. All you have to do is you open up that, I always halve the oranges, and then you place it in. And that's it, and you press it down and out there comes all the juice. So it's really nice. Super easy and super yummy. And then I put all the fruit out in a cup for my thing, and then I just rinse it and rinse that out. It's super easy. You can just, put it out, rinse it, and it's clean already. So yeah, super easy, super quick, and I'm super happy about this juicer.